Can you use the Ralph Wiggum Loop for use cases other than coding? Stick with me and we'll find out. My name's Eric and this is AI with Eric. I actually build AI agents for the enterprise in a top 500 tech company, and I'm planning to bring this experiment into my day-to-day with my team. Now, you can do this directly in Claude Code. I am going to kick this off with Anvor AI in the background while we talk about this. You can also use something like N8N or the tool of your choice. Now, unless you're living under a rock, you've probably heard Ralph Wiggum, Ralph Wiggum, Ralph Wiggum. And as you can see here, we searched Ralph Wiggum in YouTube, and the first two results aren't about The Simpsons. They're about Claude Code and the Ralph Wiggum Loop. Third result, sure, it's Simpsons, but number 4, 5, 6, 7, again, back to AI. So it's all the rage right now, and I'm curious, have you heard about Ralph Wiggum or not? Have you tried using it for cases other than coding? Because personally, I've tested it out, and it is very promising. So what is the Ralph Wiggum Loop? Well, it is incredibly straightforward. It is 3 simple, quick, easy steps. Step number 1, set the max amount of times you want the agent to be able to run. Now, it won't necessarily run that many times, but it will stop if it hits that number. Step number 2, give the agent a task. In the common examples you may have seen, it's giving it a requirements documentation and saying, hey, go work on this, update the progress, and finish when you've completed all the tasks. And step number 3, stop when the tasks are complete or we hit that counter of 10 or whatever you set it to. Again, simple, straightforward, easy, but everyone is doing it for coding. So let me tell you, I have tried it for a non-coding use case, and there are many. It could be when a candidate submits their resume. It could be for cybersecurity alerts. It could be for IT support tickets, many different use cases. As someone that builds AI agents in the enterprise for a Fortune 500 tech company, I can tell you this is promising, it's looking good, and I and my team are going to try implementing this. Let's go check on our own cybersecurity Ralph Wiggum Loop. So it ran 5 times, which is what I set it to, so it wouldn't take too long. And we can see all these iterations here, final response, and we track how many tools it called, how many tokens it used, how many time the agent ran. And this is per agent run, not the total Ralph Wiggum Loop. But we can see it's finished, and now we can go look at the progress reports. It's a lot easier to look at than trying to look through each iteration. So here we go, the final report after running our Ralph Wiggum Loop. And you can see it's got a lot of detail, and we've got immediately a suspicious but unconfirmed IP that might be conducting crypto mining. And so there's a full report. We won't go through it all, but let's scroll to the bottom, and you can see there's no confirmed cryptocurrency mining activity, but really importantly, the agent gives us back every single search it ran. So everything to do with IPs and ports and process monitoring. And we can go and take these queries and turn them into meaningful detections. So our Ralph Wiggum cybersecurity agent actually was twofold. It conducted investigation, and it gave us a great starting point to create new detections that'll trigger in the future. So there you have it. We used Ralph Wiggum for something other than coding, and who knows, maybe Ralph Wiggum will be taking over security operations at a company near you. What do you think? Have you tried Ralph Wiggum for any other use cases? Please leave me a comment, and if you like and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. See you in the next one.